Take a moment to check out the 2023 Honda Odyssey. You'll feel safe and relaxed on every excursion in this comfortable and stylish Odyssey. Its thoughtful design, advanced smart technology, interior spaciousness and luxury, strong acceleration, and nimble handling make it the ideal family vehicle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power liftgate. Your family deserves the best in safety and comfort. Take the Honda Odyssey out for a test drive today.